Do you ever feel like something is missing in your work or life? Imagine doing something every day that you love, that you're good at, that helps others, and that pays you well. That's the essence of Ikigai, the Japanese philosophy of purpose and fulfillment. In this video, I'll break down the Ikigai concept and show you how to apply it to your life. Let's get started. What is Ikigai? Ikigai translates to reason for being. It's about finding the perfect balance between 4 key areas. 1. What you love, the things you're passionate about. 2. What you're good at, your skills and talents. 3. What the world needs, how you can contribute to others. 4. What you can be paid for, work that sustains you financially. At the center of these areas is your Ikigai, your purpose and fulfillment. Why is Ikigai important? Ikigai isn't just about finding the perfect job. It's about creating a life that aligns with your passions and values. By pursuing your Ikigai, you can experience greater joy, motivation, and satisfaction every day. Steps to find your Ikigai. 1. Reflect on what you love. Think about the activities, hobbies, or topics that bring you joy and excitement. Ask yourself, what makes me lose track of time? 2. Identify your strengths. List your skills and talents. What do others often compliment you on? What are you naturally good at? 3. Consider the world's needs. Look for opportunities to help others. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve? Or, what value can I bring to others? 4. Match your passion and skills with opportunities. Research how your skills and passions can align with careers or business ideas. Explore industries where your talents are in demand. Actionable steps to start living your Ikigai today. Draw a Venn diagram with the 4 elements: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Start brainstorming ideas for each section. Pick one area from your Ikigai diagram to explore further. Take a course, volunteer, or start a side project to see how it feels. Create short-term goals that align with your Ikigai. For example, if you love art and want to help others, start creating artwork with a meaningful message or teaching art to kids. Conclusion. Finding your Ikigai takes time and self-reflection, but it's worth the journey. When you align your passion, skills, and purpose, life becomes more fulfilling and meaningful. What's one step you'll take today to discover your Ikigai? Let me know in the comments. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone searching for their purpose. See you in the next video.